Hello my gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel for day 6 of Disney week. I can't believe it's almost over. 2 more to go, so I hope you enjoy this one. I hope you've been enjoying it. Please make sure you let me know down in the comments if you've been enjoying this, if this is something you want me to keep doing in the future, just like other themes, of course. I don't have to do all Disney, although I can keep doing Disney if you want me to. But anyways, today I'm going to be recreating the look I was wearing in my cover earlier today, which was Evil Like Me from The Descendants. This is Maleficent's song in that movie. It's probably not one for everybody, but it's one for me. This has got to be my favourite song of the week. To perform. It's just so much fun to be someone completely different and just be weird and be out there and have fun, and I just loved it. And the makeup look is equally just as fun. It's got it's a bit extra. It's probably not one you're gonna wear every day, but it's definitely a little bit of fun if you feel like playing with a bit of colour and getting a bit creative. It's probably a little similar to day 1, except we're going to be adding more black and more darkness and making it look generally more evil. But anyways, if you want to see how to get that look, just keep watching. So to start off, I am priming my eyes with concealer. You know the drill by now. Okay, for eyes today I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Festivals palette, Weekend Festival palette, and for the crease I'm going to start off with the colour Swag, which is that matte purple shade. And this is just going to go in the crease. Now Maleficent in the movie Descendants is wearing all black. But I'm basing my look off of the original Maleficent, the OG cartoon, and I think purple and green are her colours. They define her as a character, like the green smoke, she's like got green skin, but she also just has like those little hints of purple on her cape, and she's the OG Disney villain. Okay, now I'm going into my matte black Colourpop eyeshadow. I can't remember what this is called. It doesn't have the name of the shade I picked, but there's only one matte black eyeshadow on Colourpop. And this is going to go very carefully on the outer corner and the crease. It's going to go very, very gently on there. Very gently. We don't want this to turn into a black eye. We just want a little bit of darkness in there. Okay, now that I've done that, and I did just clean up with a wipe so we have really nice sharp edges on the bottom here, now I'm going to cut my crease with concealer. Okay, now that my crease is cut, I am going to go into the shade Wicked. And with this shade, I am going to focus it on the outer 2/3 of the lid, but I want to leave a little tiny bit of space in the middle to put the colour Neon. Okay, now that colouring is down, I'm going to go back into the black and intensify that black, and then go back into the shade, what was it? swag, that first purple shade we used, and just intensify all the colors and blend them all out. Alright, so I once again just intensified all those colors. I re-wiped my face to recut the lines and get rid of all the fallout. I re-intensified the glitter shades, and now I am going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with the shade Spirit. Alright, that is the top lid of shadow done. That took forever. Okay, now we'll put on the base face, and just to save time, and because you've seen it a million times by now, I'm just going to do this quickly off camera and I'll come back to finish off the eyes. Alright, I am back after doing my face makeup. I am baking today because we are going to go in and do some pretty serious contouring today, but now that that's done, I'm going to go and finish up the rest of the eyes. So to start off with, I am going to go back into my matte black, and I'm mostly going to do this along the entire under eye. I think I might even just do it along the whole under eye at this stage. I don't think I want anything else under there. I'll tell you if I change my mind. Alright, that's all I'm going to do on the under eye. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my waterline. Now I think I want to try something new today. Okay, so I've just tested this out on one eye and I'm actually really liking how it turned out. So what I'm actually going to do is I want to do a bright green on the waterline. I don't have bright green eyeliner, but I do have yellow and blue Jeffree Star. So these are the shades Queen Bee and Jawbreaker. And all I'm doing is I'm just mixing them together on the back of my hand and then taking a really small brush and applying it very quickly because it's very drying. Applying it very quickly to my waterline. Now these are totally eye safe. I have put lipstick in my waterline before and I've never ever had a problem. But definitely if you have sensitive eyes, I wouldn't maybe recommend this. Maybe you could try it, but make sure that you're in a very what's the word, controlled environment where you can get help if you need to get it off. Moving on now to the eyeliner on the top, which we are just going for regular old black, and we are going to do a nice wing that just follows the shape of the eyeshadow. Okay, so this isn't the eyeliner I was intending. Absolutely not. But I do actually feel that for the look, this works. I mean, Maleficent normally has, actually no, in both movies, in every single rendition of her I've ever seen, she has horns. So I feel like our eyeliner is incorporating her horns. Accidentally did it, but I think it works. So I'm gonna leave it. Okay, now I've already done one eye, but on the other eye as well, I'm going to add this silver line of glitter just along the wing and also a little dot on the inner corner just for a little bit more sparkle. Alright, and final step is going to be just to pop on some false eyelashes, and we're going for the big and dramatic ones that I've been using all week pretty much, so I'll be right back after I finish that. Okay, I'm back and I was having a little play and I was just putting a bit of this silver glitter on the tips of the lashes and I really like it. So I thought I'd just show you. All I'm doing is I'm just taking my glitter and I'm just lightly brushing it over the top of the tip of the lashes. Like this. This idea doesn't sort of come from anywhere. I just think it looks really cool. And it just adds to the effect of the lashes, I think. So I'm gonna leave them like this. I'm really liking them. Alright, it's time to wipe away our bake and do the rest of the face. Alright, now today we are not going to bronze up the skin because Maleficent doesn't appear to have bronzer. We're just going to contour. We're just going to really shape out this face. So I'm going to take my AC On Tour palette and I'm going to take this shade in the middle right here, and we're just going to go ham with this contouring. I'm going to do my cheeks first, focusing it up the top first and then slowly bringing it down. We're doing a very intense contour, but even so, you still want to take your time and make sure that you don't overdo it. Alright, now that I am all contoured, I am going to do a tiny little bit of blush. I'm just going to go for the shade, I'm going to do a combination actually of Best Dressed and Strut from my Pretty Cheeky palette. And I'm going to go fairly light on this, but I'm going to keep it fairly focused, close to that contour. Alright, now we're on to highlighter, and to highlight today I am using Over the Moon Super Shock Colourpop, oh my god, let's get this the right way around, shall we? I am using my Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Over the Moon, mostly because it has the purple flecks through it, so I think it'll really set off the look. It'll match in really nicely. Alright, now that we have done the face, it is time to do the lips. Now, on a normal day, I would go for something very, very toned down. Something very simple, like probably a nude. Not today. Not today. Today, we're breaking out the purple lipstick. Okay, so first I'm going to line my lips with this Chi Chi Stay On Lip Liner in the shade Movie Star. And then I'm going to go over the top of that with my Jeffree Star Berries on Ice liquid lipstick. I actually think this lip pairs perfectly with this eye look. Like, I know I sort of said originally that I normally would go for something a little more toned down so that the all the attention goes to the eyes, but I think this lip looks perfect. Like, I don't think it draws too much attention down there. It draws a bit because it's a very bold colour, but I think the attention just can't be drawn away from these eyes. Like, they're just crazy. But that's all for the look. We're just going to set down with setting spray and we'll be all done. Alright guys, and that is the completed Maleficent inspired look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe, because tomorrow is the last day of Disney Week, so you're gonna want to see it. It's a very special grand finale and I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you all have enjoyed this whole journey. I have had a lot of fun doing this and I'm really excited for the final day. Okay, that's all for today. I love you, my gorgeous people. Bye-bye.